Question 54. A food processing company uses 25,000 kg of corn flour every year. The quantity discount price of corn flour is provided in the table below. In the table, we have been given the range of quantity in kgs and per unit price. The order processing charges are rupees 500 per order. The handling plus carryover charge on an annual basis is 20% of the purchase price of the corn flour per kg. The optimal order quantity in kg is. So in this question we have to find the optimal quantity of order. The total annual order is given as 25,000 kg and ordering cost is given as 500 rupees per order, and this is handling cost. Now we have been given different quantity ranges and unit price cost. First let us find EOQ, that is economic order quantity, that is given by under root of 2 into this total annual quantity, that is 25,000, into ordering cost upon CH, that is handling cost. This comes out to be under root 2 into 25,000 into 500 divided by 0.2 into let us take 60 since this is the minimum unit price. This comes out to be 1443 kg. But 1443 kg lies in this range in which the unit cost is 65. So this EOQ is not valid. So let us find out new EOQ for this range. It will be 2 into 25,000 into 500 divided by 0.2 into unit price. This time we will take it as 65. So this comes out to be 1386 kg. Now we will find the total cost for EOQ. It will be, first will be acquisition cost, that is unit price into total annual kg required. So it will be 25,000 into 65 plus second will be ordering cost. So ordering cost will be 25,000 divided by 1386. These are the number of times we have to order, into per order cost is rupees 500, plus third will be handling cost, that will be 1386 divided by 2 into CH. CH will be 0.2 into 65. So this comes out to be 1643027 rupees. Now we will find cost for exactly at 1500 kg. Total cost if our order quantity is 1500 kg. This was for economic order quantity. We are doing this because at 1500 kg we will get minimum unit price. So it will be 25,000 into 60, this is acquisition cost, plus ordering cost will be 25,000 by 1500 into 500 plus this will be 1500 by 2, that will be handling cost into 0.2 into rupees 60. This comes out to be 151,733 rupees. So we can see that this amount is lower than this amount. So our optimal order quantity will be equal to 1500 kg.